Hello, my dear students. Happy morning, everybody. Dear students, so in GK subject we have completed up to chapter number 12, right? Okay. So before starting our chapter, let me tell you two short stories, just something like that. For example, one girl is there, her name is Aditi. Okay. तो अदिति लिव्स इन मुंबई. ओके, अदिति कहाँ रह रही है? मुंबई में. एंड हर आंट मीन्स आंटी उसकी शी लिव्स इन चेन्नई. ओके, सो एवरी ईयर इन वेकेशन इन द मंथ ऑफ मे, ओके, ड्यूरिंग द स्कूल वेकेशन, तो दे ऑल आर गोइंग टू हर आंट्स हाउस. ओके, आंटी के घर जाते हैं, राइट? देन so every year they used to travel from west to east. Okay, west to east direction. So dear students, today we will learn about the directions in this chapter. Okay, right? Okay, so this is our chapter. You can see it's chapter number 13. Okay, and the name of the chapter is directions and subdirections. So you can see here, this is our chapter, right? Okay, so mainly how many directions are there? There are 4 directions. कितने directions होते हैं? 4 directions. Okay, which are they? तो वो कौन से होते हैं? You can see here north, south, east, west. Okay, 4 direction. चलो repeat after me. North, south, east, west. Okay, these are main 4 directions. Okay, so to find out the direction, mainly a compass is used. Okay, so you don't think that compass box and you are having that with pencil, eraser, sharpener. No, that compass नहीं. दूसरा एक कंपास आता है. इट्स एन इंस्ट्रूमेंट. ओके, ऐसे क्लॉक जैसे ऐसे छोटा सा राउंड होता है. तो यहाँ पे यू कैन सी आई हैव ड्रॉन सी पिक्चर ऑफ अ कंपास. वो ऐसा होता है, राउंड होता है. ओके, लाइक ए क्लॉक. ओके, एंड उसमें यू कैन सी 2 हैंड्स. हैंड्स मीन्स उसके जो 2 एरो होते हैं, मेनली 2 एरोज आर देयर. तो वो जो होता है, this is the head we will say and this is the tail. Okay, 2 part. Okay, तो जो ऊपर का पार्ट है, हेड वाला जो मेन पार्ट ऊपर का हेड, तो वो ऑलवेज इट पॉइंट्स टुवर्ड्स द नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन. कहाँ पे वो शो करेगा? नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन. ओके, सो वेन एवर यू विल यूज दिस कंपास एन इंस्ट्रूमेंट टू फाइंड आउट द डायरेक्शन, तो दैट एरो विल शो ऑलवेज नॉर्थ साइड. ओके, एंड उसका अपोजिट जो टेल है, ठीक है, जो टेल है, जो सेकंड पॉइंट है उसका, दैट विल ऑलवेज शो साउथ. ओके, सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, इफ यू आर नॉट हैविंग कंपास, अगर आपके पास ये कंपास नहीं है, तो हाउ यू विल फाइंड डायरेक्शंस, कि कौन सी डायरेक्शन कहाँ है? तो चिल्ड्रन, इट्स वेरी इजी. Okay, it's not too hard. If you are not having this instrument compass to find out the direction, then what you have to do? See, the sun always rises from the east direction. कौन से direction में होता है? हमेशा कहाँ से निकलता है? East direction. Okay, the sun rises in the east. Okay, so in the morning when you wake up, जब आप सुबह उठते हो, तो you stand in front of द सन. जहाँ से सन, ठीक है, निकलता है, तो उस एरिया में यू स्टैंड. ओके, देन दैट साइड विल बी योर ईस्ट साइड. ओके, एंड द बैक साइड ऑफ योर इट विल बी ऑफ वेस्ट, है ना. एज वी ऑल नो दैट सन राइजेस इन द ईस्ट एंड yes sets in the west direction. Okay, तो opposite of east is west. Okay, तो sun जहाँ से निकलता है, it is east direction. Okay, and at the back side it is west. Okay, so east west it is clear. Then when you are standing, okay, in the east direction, then you have to stretch out your this like this your hand, okay, then left side में, towards your left side which direction will come? North. Always you have to remember this, okay. So towards your left, north direction, and right side which direction? South, okay. So you have to remember like this, right. If you are not having this compass, okay, ये instrument अगर आपके पास नहीं है तो at that time you can find out this direction, okay. And nowadays we are using ना in the mobile में भी GPS we are using है ना, it shows the direction when we are driving the vehicle है ना. कार में जब भी आपके parents कहीं जाते हैं तो with the help of GPS we find out the directions. But if you are, when you are not having this compass, okay, ये जो arrow होता है ना, ये मेन एरो ये मैग्नेटिक होता है, ओके. तो ये एरो ऑलवेज नॉर्थ साइड में ही वो पॉइंट आउट करेगा, राइट, ओके. और दूसरा उसका जो है टेल पॉइंट जो है दैट विल शो साउथ, ओके. तो अभी मैंने आपको क्या बताया कि एज द सन राइजेज इन द ईस्ट, है ना, तो आपका अपोजिट डायरेक्शन वेस्ट एंड आपके लेफ्ट साइड में नॉर्थ एंड राइट साइड में साउथ, okay. So you can see here in the textbook it is given here north, south, east, west, main 4 directions, okay. How many directions? 4 directions are there. You have to remember, right, with spelling, है ना, okay. अभी इसके बीच का एरिया you can see north and east, है ना. The area between the north and east it is known as north east, ओके. देन द एरिया बिटवीन साउथ ईस्ट, यहाँ पे ये जो एरिया है बीच का दैट इट विल बी नोन एज साउथ ईस्ट. देन हियर इट विल बी कमिंग द एरिया बिटवीन साउथ एंड वेस्ट, तो साउथ वेस्ट. एंड हियर द एरिया बिटवीन नॉर्थ एंड वेस्ट इट इज नोन एज नॉर्थ वेस्ट. तो this northwest, northeast, south east and south west they are known as sub directions. क्या बोलेंगे हम इन्हें? सब डायरेक्शंस, ओके. दीज आर मेन 4 डायरेक्शन नॉर्थ, साउथ, ईस्ट, वेस्ट, एंड दिस नॉर्थ ईस्ट, नॉर्थ वेस्ट, साउथ ईस्ट, साउथ वेस्ट दे आर नोन एज सब डायरेक्शंस, ओके. सो चिल्ड्रन in this chapter you have to learn this, okay. You have to remember this, and here you can see one exercise is also given, right. What is that? Write the names of 4 directions. So you have to write the main 4 directions name. तो here answer में आप लिखोगे, ठीक है, which are north, like this I am writing, and afterwards you will be writing, okay. North, then south, east and west, okay. So these are the 4 main directions. Now comes question number 2. Write the names of 4 sub direction. अभी 4 sub directions के नाम you have to write. So which are they? So yes, यहाँ से आप देख सकते हो. First one we can write north east, north east, then south east, south east, then southwest. We will take first northwest, northwest and southwest. Last one is southwest, okay. So this question 1 and 2 is over. So you have to write here answer. And now let us see question number 3. Match the column A and B, writing the correct answers from the column. So dear students, let us start match, okay. Match the column A with B. So you can see here we have to select the answer from here and we have to write here the answers in the space here given below, okay. So let us start from first one. So first one is the sun, okay. So sun, so as we all know that the sun rises from which direction? Yes, east direction. तो यहाँ पे you have to find out. तो ये जो third one है that is the answer of the first matching, okay. So rises in the first, तो sun rises in the east, Okay, so first you have to write this one. Now coming to second, northeast. What is here written? Northeast. So why we are calling this northeast? Because this direction falls between the north and east direction. यहाँ पे you can see here, ये है north and this is east direction. तो ये दोनों के बीच में in the middle of this two, northeast. Okay, this is a sub direction. Okay, so यहाँ पे which one will be coming? Second one you can see it is the last one. ये last वाला जो है that will be coming in number 2. A sub direction between north and east. Okay, now number 3. What is this? Southeast. Why it is known as southeast? क्योंकि it falls between south and east direction. यहाँ पे आपको दिखाई दे रहा है. You can see here. It is a southeast direction because it falls between south and east direction. तो ये वाला third answer where it is, third one is here you can see it is the second from the last. ठीक है, last से ऊपर वाला second one है, that is a sub direction between south and east. Okay, now comes 4 number. Okay, southwest. Okay, so south and west. तो यहाँ पे you can see southwest. Why it is known as southwest? Because it falls between south and west direction. ठीक है, ये दोनों के बीच में it falls. Therefore it is known as southwest sub direction. तो यहाँ पे 4 number में 4 is where it is. You can see it is first one. First one में this is the answer of the fourth one. Okay, so a sub direction between south and west. Now coming to the last one, so northwest, it means a sub direction between north and west direction. So you can see here dear children, north and west. Okay, so here northwest direction, it falls between the north and west direction, so it is known as a northwest sub direction. Okay, so यहाँ पे this fifth वाला where it is, fifth one is coming second. फर्स्ट के बाद नीचे यू कैन सी इट इज इन सेकेंड नंबर. ओके, सो दैट आंसर यू हैव टू राइट इन द फिफ्थ नंबर, नॉर्थ वेस्ट. तो व्हाट यू विल बी राइटिंग? अ सब डायरेक्शन बिटवीन नॉर्थ एंड वेस्ट डायरेक्शन. राइट? Okay, so dear children, now our work is over, match the column is over, and I hope you will be completing your work, this question answer first of all, then this matching. Okay, and I hope you have understood this chapter very well, and what you have to do, you have to complete your work and you have to learn for the exam. Okay, so dear students, now we will meet in the next video with our new chapter. Till then, goodbye, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.